This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and remove the access panel from the side of the luggage compartment. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and withdraw it from the rear light unit. Push in and twist the bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Align the bayonet pins of the new bulb with the slots in the bulb holder. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Press the bulb in and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the bulb holder into the rear light, then twist it anti-clockwise. Refit the access panel.